All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Let's get this thing started. Let's get this thing started. Let's get it started. Welcome to Sunday's training call. Okay. Welcome to Sunday's training call. All right, give me 1 second. Turn that music off. Welcome to Sunday's training call. This is officially the second training call every Sunday that we will be doing, and I will be doing them live from now on. I am going over the basics to starting, starting, starting to, starting to, starting your online business, starting your digital entrepreneur business, right? Just want to introduce myself. I am one part of When All Else Fails Trade House. Mr. Daryl Middleton is in the building. I am officially launching When All Else Fails Trade House. So this is an amazing time for me. It's an amazing time for the business. It's an amazing time to become a digital entrepreneur because, as you see, we are in the digital age. And even with this Bitcoin pullback we just had, it's still worth more. One coin is still worth more than a brick of gold. Can you believe that? It is still worth more than a brick of gold. So I am recording live and doing YouTube as well. So that's why I'm looking back and forth. So don't get confused when I'm looking back and forth. Okay. So the training call is from mostly for my team, but I would like to help anybody else that is willing to learn and willing to hop on here and get some good nuggets, good nuggets, good nuggets today. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop into it. I want to get started. Don't hold your time because I know your time is valuable, right? All right. So step number one, believing in yourself. All right. It takes a big step to launch a company. It takes a big step to launch your business. Okay. So believing in yourself is number one. Getting those good wavelengths. Okay. So you're always telling yourself that that you're open, right? That the wavelengths are strong. You always want to step forward. Okay. Your wavelength is everything. Okay. What you put out into the atmosphere, what you put into the world is literally everything you have. Okay. All right. So, number two, understand that you must go savage. All right. You must go savage. It's no more Mr. Nice Guy. I mean, you can be polite, but you have to be a savage. You have to be a lion. You know how lions lay and they sleep most of the day, but when it's time to eat, okay, when it's time to eat, it is time to eat. Become the predator and not the prey. And I know that's kind of difficult because we're taught to become uh, lackadaisical and lay back and yes sir and no sir and yes ma'am and no ma'am. It is okay to be polite, but it's not okay to be a doormat. Okay, time to go savage, right? All right, all right. Number three, we're gonna erase all doubt, right? You have to erase all doubt to start your own business, right? For you to grow your business, you have to erase all doubt. You have to erase everything that has been taught to you, right? What if I can't? That word no longer belongs to you, okay? Can't is no longer a word. Try is no longer a word. Why? Because it is associated with failure. Well, I tried, right? It's association with failure. I can't is association with failure. You are no longer a failure because you're moving forward. You're no longer a failure because you're moving forward. Okay. All right. Even if even if the belief in yourself is as small as a mustard seed, it's in the good book, right? It's in the good book. Even if belief is as small as a mustard seed, you must believe. Erase doubts and believe. Okay. All right. So number four, we're knocking these things out. We're knocking these things out really quickly. Number four, repeat affirmations continuously. All right. Repeat, repeat, repeat. And as a great mentor of a lot of people, and me including, right? The mentor we're talking about, Bob Proctor. always says, say it in the now. Say your goals, say your affirmations in the now. I am so happy and grateful now that I have $1 million liquid in my bank account. Right? Right? So I am so happy and grateful now. Right? You put it in the now because your mind does not understand. Right? Your mind doesn't understand reality. Right? It only understands what you believe to make reality. Okay? So I am so happy and grateful now. My goals are accomplished in 2021. Right? Or I'm so happy and grateful now. So I'm going back to my business. I'm so happy and grateful now that I am a chairman 100. Right? I am so happy and grateful now that I'm a chairman 100. And you always put the date. Always put your date of your affirmations. Okay. So we're on next step right now. Okay. Step number 5: speak everything into existence. Right? Speak everything into existence. What you want and what you have has no timeline. Right? So if you say I have a G Wagon, a brand new 2021 G Wagon, right? That's one of my goals, right? Is that I have a brand new 2021 AMG 63. I'm not saying I'm not saying that it's going to be possible. I'm saying that it's happening now. I'm saying that when I close my eyes, I can see it in the garage. Okay. All right. So, and number 6 was starting a digital entrepreneurship, right? Is you must recruit. Okay. You got to recruit, 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 recruit. And remember, you're not selling, right? You're just sharing the information. Okay. You're not selling, you're sharing the information. You don't want to believe, you don't want to make people feel afraid of you because you're becoming a salesperson. You're not a salesperson, you're sharing information. Okay. But you must recruit. And the reason why you must recruit is to help others financially. Okay. You have a product that solves a problem. You have a product that solves a problem. And that goes back into step 1. You must believe that the product solves your problem. And I always believe that the product solves the problem, right? I believe my product solves the problem. Okay. Right. I believe that financially, if you just listen to the information, right, I will set you financially free. I will help you get to the financial freedom that you want. Okay. And another great quote from another great mentor of mine, Mr. D.L. Woods, always tells us beware of the get rich slow schemes, right? Everybody always says that, oh, it's the get rich quick schemes, but have you tried to get rich slow? Right? You're not getting there, are you? We're still in the same spot. So beware of the get rich slow, right? Do not get rich slow. You got to get rich fast. Success loves speed. Success loves speed. Okay. So let's go back into step number 6, where we're talking about today is in step number 6. Okay. When you recruit, this is what you want to do. Okay. And this is for any business. It doesn't have to be iMarkets Academy, the business that I'm in, and the business that I promote, right? It can be any digital entrepreneur business. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to have to physically get on the phone. Okay. Yeah, you can start texting on Facebook, Instagram, all that, but you must get them off Facebook and Instagram. So you have to get their number. You have to physically talk to them, right? 2 is you have to physically get them off of text message. You have to get on the phone. Reason being is they cannot hear your voice waves, right? They cannot hear your excitement for the business, right? Without you being there. You have to have them hear you. Okay. And I know it's weird in this day and age where you just want to text somebody and say, man, hey, I got you, look at this, look at this, look at this. No, they have to hear you. Okay. And it's four easy steps, 4 easy steps. But these easy steps you must follow the whole way through. Right? The 4 steps you must follow the whole way through, and you have to do them in a row. You have to keep them organized. Okay. So step number 1, be in a hurry. Okay. Step number 2, clear your schedule. Okay. Or clear their schedule. All right. Step number 3, add value. And step number 4 is you take it away. Okay. And this works for any digital or this works for any business that you have to recruit anybody, or you have to get anybody to look at your business. Okay. All right. So that's for any salesperson, right? Even if you're a salesperson that sells insurance, you can do the exact same thing. Okay. All right. So I'm going to give you some examples of the 4 steps. It's going to kind of go through a little phone call. You know, I usually have somebody else on the other end and we kind of go through this, but I don't. So here we go. Right. So you call your buddy up, say, hey man, what's going on? Right. And then my left hand, this is the person that you're attempting to look at the business. Okay. So, hey man, how you doing? Man, I'm doing great. Right. Hey, I'm in a hurry. I'm about to get into a phone call with my business partners or my mentors. You say business partners and mentors, right? But man, I have something so exciting for you, man. I think that you would be amazing for. Hey, we're doing a launch party for this opportunity, and I think that you would be amazing to fit, right? So you're like, well, so what is this? You know, what is this opportunity? What are you talking about? Um, well, man, like I said, man, I'm getting into this business call right now. Just give me, a few moments. Hey, are you doing anything on Tuesday? You know, it could be any day of the week, but are you doing anything on Tuesday, 7 o'clock? Nah, man, I'm not doing anything on Tuesday, but what is this? Hey, man, like I said, 7 o'clock, you be there at Tuesday. I've already told my mentors, I've already told my business partners that you're going to be there, right? I had to lock in your position because it's only so many people can be on this call. And I made sure that you had a spot, right? Because I like, love, or trust you. So you hit them with that. So I made sure you had a spot, right? So, and this is how you get off the call, right? So you get off the call when you pull it from them, okay? So, but hey, man, we just want to make sure that you qualify for this call. I just want to make sure that you qualify because you might not even qualify to do what we're doing, okay? Hey, but you're ready? You're down for Tuesday, 7 o'clock p.m. Yeah, I'm down. I'll be there. I'll be there, man. I appreciate that. All right, man. You have a good one. I'm about to get on this call, man. I got that meeting call. I'm about to get on right now. Appreciate it. All right. The faster you get off the call, right, you intrigue interest, right? Because now people are like, well, what is he doing, and why is he so busy, right? So, prime example, when you see a celebrity or a star, a business person, a big business person, what do they look like? They're always busy, right? They look like they're always busy. They're always doing something, right? And you know that these people's time. So if you wanted to meet Chris Brown, you know you had to talk to Chris Brown really quickly, right? You had to get in, get out, because his time is valuable. When people believe that your time is valuable, right? They'll believe in you. Okay. So like I was saying, so get off the call. But like I said, I am not going to be eternal. I've been on here probably like 10, 20 minutes. If you're interested in what we actually doing, because as you see, we're not just selling, we're mentally, right? We're mentally changing people's lives. Okay. You have to change up here to change your money. Okay. You have to change up here to change your money. And if you're interested in what we do, leave a comment at the end of this video, leave a comment below, and we will get to you as soon as possible. Okay. Digital entrepreneurship is the way to go. Anywhere you go. I believe in my company, iMarkets Academy, because I'm making money from my phone. Right? I'm not selling a product. I'm not selling nothing against Amway or any of the dietitians out there. I'm not selling a product. I'm selling a skill. Right? I'm not selling a product. I'm selling a skill. But after all that said, if you're still here, you're still interested in what we do, right? Comment below. I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And like my mentor always tells us, we'll see you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. But we'll never look down on anyone unless we're willing to pick them up. Have a blessed day.